Okay guys, welcome back. Now we are about to install WordPress. This is where the real action begins, so just follow me, follow the whole process. Now this is your cpanel. If you noticed, I'm not on servers now, I'm on Bluehost. So this is your cpanel, and every host has its own variant of cpanel. Sometimes they are usually the same anyway. Most times they're usually the same, but some are different. So don't look at this cpanel like, okay, is this cpanel still the same cpanel, the same way it works, the same way it's universal. Okay, the same this cpanel work the same way the cpanel in Q servers work and cpanel from any other place. Okay, so I'm sure you're already familiar with some of these things I showed you in the earlier class. So we're just going to navigate straight to where we're going to be installing WordPress. So if you carefully scroll down, you're going to see some things. You have files. You see here, you see files. Okay, and then you go down, you see database. Okay, databases. Okay, and then you scroll down, you see email. Okay, you're going to just skip all that. Okay, and then you're going to see metrics. Okay, just keep going down till you get to, you see security. Okay, till you get to software. Okay, now when you get to software, this is where we are going to be stopping. Okay, you see this Software Plus app installer. It comes with every cpanel or most cpanel. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on it. So there you can install any scripts that you want to install on your site, any content management system you want to have on your site, you can have it there. Okay, then okay, so we're just going to click on the Software Plus app installer right now. Okay, and then you see your top scripts, you see WordPress, you see Abantica, PrestaShop. All these are all content management systems. So we're only interested in WordPress, and it's usually number one, top of the list. So we want to install, so you just click on install. Okay, and then now you just select quick install. It's going to make you skip a lot of unnecessary steps. All right, so quick install is what we are selecting. All right, okay, then just leave the version the way it is. Always make sure you have the latest version of everything you are doing, and then you are going to choose the installation URL. If you just bought this domain name, you should have just one list in this place. Okay, so but for me, what I need here is class 1 at certificate.ng. So for you should just have one domain name there. So don't be scared if you don't see plenty stuff like this. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be installing. You should have your domain, like I said, your domain.com or .org, whichever one you bought. Okay, and then you just leave that. Then the next thing you're going to see, you're going to choose your WordPress. I'm going to choose a WordPress admin. Okay, you're going to choose what you're going to be using to log in, username and password. So I'm just going to leave it an admin. You can change it to whatever you like, and then I'm just going to choose a password. Make sure your password is very strong so that you can avoid hackers. Okay, so I've actually had one of my sites hacked one time, and also I had to find a way to resolve it anyway. Okay, so you set your password. So I'm just going to choose a password. Okay, let me hide it so you don't have to be saying it. Okay, so you can see it's 65. Normally you should allow it to get to 100. All right, then skip every other thing. That's why I said use custom install, so you don't have to be seeing unnecessary. Use what do they call it again, quick install, so you don't have to be seeing too many unnecessary things. Okay, as time goes on, you become advanced, you can now start doing custom install. So admin email. Okay, we've not created email address for this account. You've not created an email address, so I'm not going to show you that in this class. Okay, so but you can just use a regular email address that you have. Okay, mine is let's say info@zvatscompany.com, so that you can use that to reset your account. Use a valid email address that you can use to reset your admin account anytime you lose your password. Okay, then so let's just skip all this, skip all this. Okay, okay, just there's this editor here, classic editor. Okay, it's an important plugin, so just click on it too. Okay, so then okay, I think that should be all. Scroll down, installation, email it to the same, use the same info@smartcompany.com. just use the same email address at smartcompany.com. okay, so when you are done with all that, just click on install, skip all this Steam and all, just click on install, and if everything goes well, it should be done in right about now. Okay, all right about now it's done. So your WordPress has been installed, so you can see, you can from here go and preview your site and see what your site looks like. Okay, and then administrative URL, that means you can just log in straight to your WordPress dashboard where we're going to be doing all the magic about WordPress. So I just right click and opened in new tab. Okay, so that is it for WordPress installation. Okay,